Today I want to show the map editor a little bit. This is the island that I have. It's half of the island, of course. Other half is pretty much empty. As you can see, there's nothing here. But that doesn't mean that we cannot fill this map, right? We have map editor now. So I will show some of the features that we have on the map editor. Every server owner will be able to design their own maps easily. So one thing that I want to show you is that we have lower and raise functionalities for the terrain itself. You can create holes like this, create rivers, and you can change the size of the brush, right? Um, and you can create places like this. You can of course remove some of the objects in the way. And then this feature also works for the opposite way as well. You can create mountains like this. You can change the strength and then make it bigger or softer. And we also have a smooth tool where you can smooth the area so it's more flat. Like for example, this area is smoothed out, right? So another thing that I want to show you is the color feature we have. As you can see, we have different type of colors where we have grass, we have sand, and we have roads, we have rocks like this. So it's pretty convenient that you can design different like paths for the map, and then you can have sand areas. So this grass, for example, you can pretty much paint it like this. For sand, you can select sand and then you can paint it like this. For rock, it's the same. And then for stone road, it's the same. I would highly suggest to make the roads, of course, smaller. So you have a path like this, right? And then on top of that, now we have cliff functionality where it pretty much allows you to create cliffs. Um, right now, this is like in beta, but pretty much it allows you to create cliff in this area. For example, as you can see, now this area has a cliff on the side. You can color this part with rock. Then you can have a cliff like this, and then pretty much all of these areas are designed that way. Like we have nice cliffs here, like over there, maybe over there. They look nice. And then now let's talk about objects. We have different type of objects. Of course, we have palm trees. Whenever you add a palm tree, they become automatically they become a resource. You can collect woods from them. You can add barrels like this, and then they drop items. You can add ruins. You can add pier, and then you can of course adjust the height of the pier. You like to add them to the areas. You can add caves like this, right? I can add another cave here, for example, and then I can make it so it's in the water like this. It's pretty nice. And then we have different objects. We have wrecks. You can add it to seasides like this. So you can pretty much design your own world how you imagine. We have different type of stones. We have rocks. We have small plants like corns, mushrooms, berries, pretty much everything we have on Tribals one. And we also have rare materials like ores, silver, all of this. And then once you have those like map in, you can pretty much click save, and then it will be saved on your server. And every time you restart the game, refresh your game, you can spawn in your island, which is super nice. Anyways, that's it for this video. Coming soon.